campers. Sorry, excuse me, I've just had a ponytail in all day and my hair's just gone, ow! It hurts. Yes, not so hot. I think that would work. That's up there a little bit better, probably. Yeah, see? How is everyone? Hello, I've got a pigtail. Can I rock a pigtail or not? Or do you think I'm a bit old? Someone said there's a cabaoke. Cabaret. I can't even pronounce it. Like a karaoke in a cab. So it'd be like cabaoke. Like tabioke or cabaroke. I don't know how they want to pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. That's not good, is it? Anyway. Stop saying anyway. But I thought about this one. Alright, try this. I'm not sure if this is going to work. If it works, then woohoo! She can sing. If it doesn't work, I can't. So we'll have a go, will we? So here we go. You are the sunshine of my life. Yeah. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eyes. Yeah. Forever you'll stay in my heart. I feel like this is the beginning. Though I've loved you for 1,000,000 years. And if I thought this was the ending, I'd find myself drowning in my tears. You are the sunshine of my life, yeah. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eyes, yeah. Forever you'll stay in my heart. You must have known that I was lonely, because you came to my rescue. I know this must be heaven, as I could be so much love inside of me. I did that wrong, but it doesn't matter. You are the sunshine of my life, yeah. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my life, yeah. And forever you'll be in my heart. There you go. Vote on that one then, darlings. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.